our vanilla pudding. Now we have to put this in the refrigerator, but preferable obviously we cover it so it's don't get the skin. And I'll show you a quick trick actually. We're improvising here something. I have a little bit of baking paper, and what I'm doing is I just cut sort of a triangle. I maybe do this one just here so you see that one. So yeah, so I have a nice triangle. Now watch that. Okay, now here we go. We fold it always on the tip. Like that, like that, like that. So this was the tip, right? Okay, now we take a measurement half here to the bowl here. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, and now I take a scissor and go around here. Hocus pocus. Now magic trick. My magic trick, hopefully it works, you know. Oh, look at that. Beautiful! And now this thing we're putting on here. What we call this one, it's like a cartouche. Yeah, you can call it a lid if you like. And this prevents obviously our pudding from getting a skin. Here we go, you learn something again. Cartouche. Okay, we put this in the fridge and then we continue.